loved. My dear future self, maybe the world feels unbearably heavy right now. Maybe just starting the day feels impossible. I see you, I feel you. Exhaustion can settle deep, untouched by sleep. Life piles on, worry by worry, until it feels like you're carrying a mountain. It's okay to feel crushed. It's okay to admit it's too much. I'm reaching out from the past, broken in my own ways, but full of hope. We are all mosaics of joy and sorrow, triumph and scars. The hope I feel today is a quiet whisper, a seed planted in faith. Your weariness is not weakness. It's proof of how hard you fought. When you're too tired to go on, remember the mountains you've already climbed. Your fatigue is earned. It's honorable. Let yourself rest. The world can wait. Be gentle with your heart. Breathe. For today, that is enough. I'm sending you permission to just be, without judgment. Even in exhaustion, you are worthy. You are whole. You are loved. Rest, and know that is enough. Do you feel invisible, like a ghost moving through the world unnoticed? It's a painful loneliness to be surrounded yet unseen. You might smile and nod, hiding your true self behind a mask. I want to pierce that invisibility. I see you. I see your struggle. Your feelings are valid. The ache, the sting, the loneliness. Feeling deeply is not a flaw, it's your superpower. Your emotions are messengers. Listen with kindness, not judgment. The world celebrates loud voices, but your quiet existence matters. Your silent struggles are heroic. You don't need an audience. Your story matters, even if only you know its depth. Stand in front of a mirror. Look past the tired eyes. See the survivor. Say it. I am here. I matter. Be your own kind witness. Refuse to let yourself be invisible starting today. Your recognition is the most powerful of all. Surviving is a victory. On the darkest days, just making it through is monumental. Our culture glorifies grand gestures, but true strength is quieter. It's getting out of bed, eating, answering an email, acts of defiance against despair. When everything says give up, choosing to continue is courage. There are no parades for this, but you must honor your own effort. Every sunset you see is proof of your power. Your resilience isn't about bouncing back. It's about integrating your scars. You are not broken. You are battle-tested. Your heart has stretched, not shattered. On days you feel you've done nothing, make a new list. Did you breathe? Did you hold on? That's success. You have done the hardest work, chosen life. Celebrate that. Let your survival be a source of gentle pride. You are still here, and that is everything. You matter. Sometimes the darkness feels safe, a familiar place with no surprises. Hope can feel dangerous, a risk you're too tired to take. I honor the part of you that seeks safety in the dark. Don't shame yourself for it, just acknowledge it. But remember, the light is real, even if it feels distant. You deserve to feel its warmth. The struggle to believe in light is true grit. Your resilience is not measured by how often you fall, but by your willingness to consider hope. That tiny spark is enough. Protect it. Nurture it with small acts of self-compassion. A song, a breath of fresh air, these words. Every small act fans the embers of your spirit. You've survived the dark before. You have a perfect record of making it through. Your past self's strength lives in you. The darkness is only a temporary shelter. You have the map out. You can use it again. Keep going. This is a love letter from your past self to your future self. I am proud of you for every battle, every scar, every step. Your scars are not damage. They are maps of your journey. Try to love yourself as I love you now. Offer yourself the compassion you'd give a friend. Be your own best friend. Wrap yourself in your own acceptance. Self-love is a practice, not a destination. Forgive yourself for imperfection. Celebrate small successes. Speak to yourself gently. Some days it's easy, some days impossible. That's okay. The goal is to keep choosing love one moment at a time. Every act of self-love is a step toward healing. I'm sending all my love and pride to you across the years. You are a miracle of survival, a masterpiece of resilience. You are loved. Let that sink in. My dearest self, remember, your pain will not be wasted. One day, you'll see how darkness shaped you, deepened your empathy, and taught you strength. Your wounds will become your wisdom. This is not the end of your story, it's a pivotal chapter. Every struggle, every tear, every quiet moment matters. Honor your journey. You are the hero of your own epic. Keep turning the pages, even if it's just one word at a time. I promise to keep moving forward, making choices that honor you. I'll collect moments of joy and save them for you. We are in this together, you and I. We will carry each other forward across time. A better future is possible because we will make it so. Hold on, please, just hold on. The world is better with you in it. Your story is not over. Together we will get there.